Hi guys, this is Matt with Smythe Computer Services again. Today's tutorial is going to cover installation of VirtualBox, which is software that allows you to run other operating systems such as Linux, Windows, or even in this case another version of Mac OS. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to virtualbox.org and download the appropriate version for your computer, whether you have Windows or Mac. Once you've downloaded it, then you will want to install it. So in this case, we're going to install the virtualbox.package file. We're waiting for Mac OS security to verify the installer. Okay, and then we will click continue at this point to see if the software can be installed on this architecture. And then to kick off the installer, we'll click continue. If you have any customization preferences, you can change them there, or simply choose standard install. And then click install. And at this point, you're going to want to add your administrative password to execute the install. We're going to let that install finish. Completed successfully. I'm going to close the installer, close the disk image file, and then it should show up in Launchpad as an application to run right here, VirtualBox. And now you're ready to add a virtual operating system. And once again, you can add different variations of Linux, different variations of Windows, and different variations of Mac OS. If there's any questions about this tutorial, please send us an email at support@smythecomputerservices.com. Also, you can visit our website at www.smythecomputerservices.com and check out our other videos and submit requests or ideas. I thank you for your time. If you have any ideas for topics, please submit them. And once again, you can send them to support@smythecomputerservices.com. Thank you.